Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some of my favorite digital drawing tips and tricks for Procreate that will help you draw faster, cleaner, and more confidently, whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist. So grab your iPad, open Procreate, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about gesture controls. Procreate is full of shortcuts that save tons of time. For example, tap with 2 fingers to undo and 3 fingers to redo. You can clear a layer instantly by doing a 3-finger scrub. These small gestures make your workflow super smooth and help you stay focused on drawing instead of finding buttons. Next, one of the most powerful features of digital art: layers. Always separate your sketch, line art, colors, and shadows into different layers. That way, you can tweak parts of your artwork without ruining the rest. Also, try using clipping masks for shading. They keep your shadows perfectly inside the base color area, so you don't have to worry about coloring outside the lines. It's like a clean and professional magic trick. Here's a trick many artists overlook: reference layers. If you have a clean line art layer, turn it into a reference. Then, when you use the color drop tool on another layer, Procreate will automatically fill the correct areas. It keeps your colors separated and easy to change later. Perfect for character art or comic panels. Now, let's talk brushes. Don't just stick to default brushes, experiment. You can duplicate a brush and adjust settings like streamline for smoother lines or opacity for softer blending. Try combining different brushes for line work, texture, and details. That's how you develop your unique art style. And remember, sometimes the brush doesn't make the artist. The way you use it does. If you're adding shadows or highlights, Alpha Lock is your best friend. Once you enable it on a layer, you can paint only on existing pixels. No need to worry about coloring outside the shape. It's perfect for adding gradients, highlights, and subtle lighting effects that make your drawing pop. When choosing colors, don't just pick randomly. Use Procreate's color harmony feature. It helps you find complementary, analogous, and triadic color schemes, which instantly make your artwork look balanced and professional. And don't forget to use color drop threshold. Drag and hold your color drop to adjust how much area fills up. Tiny detail, but super useful. Another cool thing: Procreate automatically records your time-lapse. It's great for sharing your drawing process on social media or YouTube. You can even choose different playback speeds when exporting it. If you're making videos like this one, it's a quick way to show hours of work in just a few seconds. If you're drawing objects, buildings, or mandalas, use Quick Shape and Symmetry. Quick Shape lets you hold your pen after drawing. Procreate will automatically straighten it into a perfect line or shape. Symmetry tools are amazing for creating balanced designs or faces. It feels like magic when both sides come out perfect instantly. And that's it for today's video. I hope these Procreate tips and tricks help you draw faster and level up your digital art. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite tip, or what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing!